What's up? It's Fly High, just showing off my new vertical mount. This is for here 910 is rugged, and you can tell the goal here is to get the lens centered and low as possible. Another requirement here was that the battery door be fully accessible so that you can open up and charge and change cards without needing to remove it from the case. But this handy dandy latch over here gets you easy access so that the latching side comes loose and the whole front peels open and makes it easy enough to remove the camera. If you need a vertical mount, get over to FlyHighFPV.com. I make these all the time, although this one is special for my buddy Lord Stig. FlyHighFPV.com.